Hey guys, good morning. Bill Soriano here, Sunday morning, September 17th. And it's time to go over the weekly the trade recap for the week. This is for the week beginning 9/11, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, 9/11. So this is the recap for the week beginning 9/11 2023. And I don't have myself very well organized today, very busy at the restaurant. I had a large catering event yesterday that I had to deliver for a night at the races type of event for a church charity event. And so didn't have time to go through things very thoroughly. But as you could see here, we only had 2 recorded trades last week, and they were both winning trades: AUDJPY, GBPJPY. And so for the month of September so far, we've had 7 trades, 5 winning trades, 2 losing trades, 71% win rate, and an 8% gain on our account because all trades are 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio trades. So we risk 1% to get 2%. So on the winning trades, we win 2%. On the losing trades, we lose 1%. So 8% gain on your account had you taken all 7 of these trades. Let me show you. Both of these trades here were trade alerts that I put in the new group, right, which is the Forex Smart Money Supremacy group. Now remember, in order to access this group, this isn't a free group, Forex Smart Money Supremacy group. In order to access this group, you have to join me in my affiliate offer. If you need information on that, I can send it to you. This video is going to be posted in my free group as well, Forex Smart Money Trading Academy. So there's links inside of Forex Smart Money Trading Academy to show you how to get started with my affiliate offer so that you can get access to all of my live presence, all of my live sessions during the week, my video where I go over all 28 Forex pairs, the overview for the week. I mark up the 4-hour points of interest. You'll get access to all of that here in this Forex Smart Money Supremacy group. So you can see here, right here, I gave this trade alert in GBPJPY on September 11th, right? So there's the trade alert. Now, when I post a trade alert in this group, you get the buy or sell limit order, you get the stop loss, and the take profit. Okay, so that alert was posted here in the group, right? And I'll also post the chart image and also a chart image of the winning trade as well, right there. So that was an alert that I gave here in the group in GBPJPY. And I believe I also had the alert here for, let me just see something real fast here. The other trade was AUDJPY, right? And so this one, I also posted an alert here, so that should be in the group as well. Let me just find that so you can see it. Yeah, that was right here. So for some reason, I posted that here underneath the live session that I did. So you can see right here on September 8th, I did this live session here, right? And I posted the alert right here. And then the trade didn't execute till this week. So I gave this alert the week prior, right, on September 8th. But since the trade didn't execute until this week, it goes in the books for this week. So it's one of the 2 winning trades this week. But right here, you get the buy limit, the stop loss, and the take profit, right? And then right underneath this, you could see the winning trade image as well. Okay. So I'm giving these alerts right in the group, guys. You're getting trade alerts now in this group, in the Forex Smart Money Supremacy group. Okay. I go over the point of interest alerts when they get hit, and I give you trade alerts when I see them, right? Sometimes the trades go off, and because I'm at the restaurant and because I'm sleeping, I don't get a chance to actually give you the alert, right? Sometimes the break of structure occurs, giving us our choke or a change of character, and the trade actually executes while I'm sleeping or while I'm at the restaurant. But these two trades this week, guys, I gave alerts on these. So you could have had access to both of these winning trades and they both won. Okay. So you can see right there. And so I have them in the group here. You can see that right here, our point of interest got hit. At the time that that got hit, we identified this red line as the choke area where we get our break of structure, gives us our change of character to the upside, because we don't want to get into trade down here because it could keep going lower. We want price to tell us it's ready to move up now. So we wait for this change of character or choke on the 15-minute chart. This is once our 4-hour point of interest line is hit. Okay. Price comes back down, gets us in the trade right here because we identified this order block down here, right, to get into the trade. And then boom, we get our 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio trade. We get our 2% gain on that. The other trade was GBPJPY. Right, this was here, price came down, hit our 4-hour point of interest, right? And although our line is gone here, our choke was right here. Price came up. We got our change of character, our choke. That allowed us to identify this area down here for our lower time frame flip zone, which is where we put our buy limit order. Okay. Usually it's the 15-minute candle that gives us our order block here, but we also have a yellow smart monix candle right here. And so that allows us to get in a little bit earlier here, right before, because if we would have just, either way, we would have been in this trade. You could see price comes down, boom, gets us in a trade right here, 4:45 a.m. on Tuesday morning, right? If you look right here, I put the time of day when the lower time frame flip, when the trade executes, right? 4:45 a.m. So GBPJPY executed at 4:45 a.m. You would have had that limit order set, so you could be asleep, doesn't matter. And AUDJPY executed at 5 p.m. Okay, and these are all Eastern Standard Time, right? So I will post a image. I'll post the link here to this trade journal in the group here so that you could check these out here, so you could see last week's trades as well. So those were our two winning trades. Now, we also, as you could see here, I'm just jumping around a little bit, like I said, guys. I gave a trade alert on the 13th in EURGPY. Okay. EURGPY trade alert. That's right here. Right. There was a sell limit at 0.86213. Stop loss and take profit right there. You see price comes up. If we go to the chart here, EURGPY, EURGBP. Okay, so right here you see price comes up and hits our point of interest, our 4-hour point of interest, right? And then we identified our choke right here. That's the red line. Price comes down. Once we get our change of character or choke, then we can identify our order block to take this trade. And we're using this blue candle right here in this case, the last up candle before this down move, which caused that break of structure. We have all kinds of imbalance in here. So that's where our our sell limit was set. Now price never came back yet. Okay, as you can see, price continues downward even further, right? And now it's working its way back up. Okay, so this order, this limit order should still be set. If you're following me here in the group, you should still have a sell limit set for EURGPY, GBP, going into next week here. That sell limit's at 0.86213. That's still a valid trade alert. So we'll be looking for that for next week. Now, there was also another alert that went off at some point here. I'm trying to see where it was at. Let's just look at a few of these pairs here to see if there's anything that we need to talk about on, right? Okay, so this was CAD, CHF. As you could see here, the 4-hour points of interest were hit. this liquidity block or order block was invalidated. Price continued upward, and then it invalidated another order block. This is why we wait for our change of character. Once we don't take the trade just because price hits our 4-hour point of interest, right? We then wait for a change of character to make sure price is now ready to go in the other direction. It wasn't ready to do that yet, and so it invalidated this order block, kept going up, invalidated this order block. Okay, so there's no reason to take a trade in here, right? EURCAD, same thing. Price came down, invalidated the order block, just kept going. Okay, so we'll look at all these pairs. Later today, I'm going to do my video where I go through all 28 pairs, right? And so we'll remark up these pairs and look for other trades. Let's see, where was the trade? I think it was USD CAD. I'm pretty sure the trade is in USD CAD here. Let me just real fast here. Let me just set up a replay for you so you can see what I'm talking about here. Okay, so this is USD CAD. You can see we have our 4-hour order block. We have our point of interest. That's the blue line right here. Price comes down, hits our point of interest, right? So at that point right here, this red line is where we need to get a move up above to get our change of character or choke, okay? And so let's just play this forward for you here. And it took a while here. I think this alert got hit on Friday, if I'm not mistaken, or there. So right here. So right here, when this candle, we need a candle to close above this line. And when that happens, that gives us a break of structure to the upside, which gives us our change of character or choke. And that then allows us to identify an order block here that we can trade from. We can use the free Smart Money Concepts Lux Algo indicator to identify these order blocks. It gives us a couple here. This one looks pretty good here because what do we have? We have a yellow Smart Monix candle, okay? And so that's giving us an entry right around this area here, okay? And then we do have an order block a little bit lower down. But in this case, we have imbalance here. So what I would do is I would put this buy limit right here at that wick, okay? And then, of course, we're going to have to come down here, and we're probably going to want to do about a 20 pip stop loss on this one. We don't have to pad it with the full ATR. Well, let's do that anyway. Right here, if you look down the bottom left-hand corner of my screen, you can see my 14-period ATR, and it's at about 6 pips right now. So we're going to make this a 24 pip stop loss, okay? And we're going to target to the upside here. We need to get about 48 pips, right? Let's just scratch this up a little bit so we can get this in here. Okay, so this is what we're looking at right here. Okay, so, and let's just see what happens now as this plays out. Right, price comes down, boom, we get in our trade right here. Okay, so right here, this is Friday at 11:45 a.m. Okay, it's not a great time to take a trade because you have to get out of the trade at the end of market on Friday, right? So let's see what happens with this now. Right, and price closes right there. Okay, so this is a current trade at this point, okay? So we're going to make this a current trade, USD CAD. We're going to put that in here to see what happens. USD CAD, we don't know if it won or lost yet, right? Obviously. And our lower time frame flip executed at 11:45 a.m. So we'll put in here 11:45 a.m. So we'll have to see what happens with this trade as this week unfolds, right? Now, again, this trade happened on Friday, 11:45 a.m. Now, as you know, if you were trading with a live account with your real money, or you were trading with a funded account or taking a funded challenge, you would not hold any trades over the weekend. Okay. So you would have taken this trade because it was still early enough to take it, 11:45 a.m. Friday morning Eastern time. But you would have had to exit this trade right before the market closed. So you would have exited this trade more than likely in profit, right? It looks like right now it closes actually up about 14 pips. Okay, so you would have closed that trade out on Friday in profit had you been trading on your live account or taking a funded challenge or trading with your funded account, right? Because you're not going to hold trades over the weekend, because we know that they can gap up or down on us when they open later today at 5 p.m. Eastern time, right? Okay, and we can lose more than our stop loss when that happens. Price can go right through our stop loss. Now, it can also go the other way and help us, but we don't want to take that chance. Now, for the purpose of this exercise, though, with tracking all these trades, we let the trade run out to see what happens. Okay, so we'll let this trade continue before we decide whether or not it's a losing or winning trade, right? If this week it goes up and we get our 2% gain and it's a winning trade. However, if it comes down here and we would get stopped out, then it's a losing trade, right? But just know that if you're trading this on your live account, you would have already gotten out of this trade with a win. Okay, so that's what last week looked like, guys. Like I said, there wasn't a lot of action going on, but you would be in this USD CAD trade right here. I wasn't able to give a trade alert on it, right? I wasn't able to give a trade alert because the change of character occurred at 8:15 a.m. on Friday morning. I was at the restaurant, and then it actually executed right about 3.5 hours later at 11:45 a.m. and I was still at the restaurant, so I couldn't give a trade alert on this. That's why there's no trade alert on this pair in the group, because the choke as well as the lower time frame flip executed while I was at the restaurant on Friday. Okay, but you can see it's a valid trade, it's a valid position, and we'll see how it plays out, right? And like I said, guys, so far for the month, we're at 5 wins, 2 losses, 7 trades, a 71% win ratio, and an 8% gain on our account had we taken all 7 trades. And again, in the group, in my new group, the Forex Smart Money Trading Academy, I was able to give trade alerts on 4 of those 7 trades, I believe. 4 or 5 of those 7 trades. There were 2 trades that I wasn't able to give you an alert on, like I just showed you. But when you go through the group here, when you get access to it, right now, there's only a few people that have access to this group. There's only a few people that are seeing this, okay? Now, what you have to do, what do you need to do to get access to this group so you can get my session where I go through all 28 pairs? You'll see later today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all 28 Forex pairs on my watch list. I'm going to identify the daily trend bias for you. I'm going to identify a 4-hour order block for you that we can trade from going with that daily trend bias. I'm going to give you a point of interest that needs to get hit inside of that 4-hour order block. That's where we'll set our alerts, right? Now, once those alerts get hit, then we drop down to the 15-minute chart and we wait for our lower time frame flip to execute, right? We wait for that break of structure, that choke gives us a choke and a change of character. Then we're able to identify a lower time frame flip zone and put our buy or sell limit order in at that point. And that's when I give you the trade alert in the group. Okay, so how do you get access to all of this? What you need to do is, if you're watching this in my free group, right, which is the Forex Smart Money Trading Academy group, this is a group where I taught this strategy for free for 2 years. Okay, it's no longer a free strategy, but if you look in my group here, you'll see posts where I post the winning trades, and I'm going to post this video in here as well. And there's a link right here to this invitation only, in order to get access to my new group, the Forex Smart Money Supremacy group, right? You can see I posted here another winning trade. I posted this trailer to my Forex Smart Money Supremacy group yesterday. If you guys are not in that group, then you're missing out on the winning signals. The new group is invitation only. You have to join my affiliate offer here to get in. So you click there. It takes you right here to my affiliate offer. You get access to all of this in my affiliate offer. You can watch this quick video by my partner, Paul, in the UK. And you click right here and you have to join, join this offer for $25. And once you do that, I'll give you access to the Forex Smart Money Supremacy group, where all of my trade alerts, my live sessions, my weekly overview, my daily live sessions, and everything, you'll get access to everything in here. Okay, so it's Bill Soriano from Pittsburgh, guys. If you have any questions at all, if you're watching this on another social media platform, you need to get access to that affiliate offer and my free group, then let me know and I'll send you the link to that. Send me a message to Messenger and I'll send you the link to that. Otherwise, guys, have a great day. Enjoy some football today. It's the NFL is back, so football season now is in full swing, and I'm very excited about that. Have a great day.